So, there's two issues that present themselves on Surface Pro 4. You have a blown Schlotzsky diode, which is going to be right here. Generally, it is this one that is blown. This is just a donor, that's why this one's missing. But generally, this one right here blows. This one right here, if you don't have any of these new, then you can grab this one right here and replace this. This one here is just ground on both sides and does absolutely nothing. This is most commonly the problem when the Surface Pro 4 will turn on and will work when it's on the charger, but as soon as you disconnect the charger, it shuts off. Generally, that is this blown Schlotzsky diode. Now, after a battery replacement, generally this resistor right here goes. It blows out. Now, this is just a 0 ohm resistor. This is essentially a wire. This has zero purpose other than to act as pretty much a filter, and you can, if you are in a pinch and don't have any 0 ohm resistors, and I think this is a 0402 size, then you can just put a decent size insulated wire on here and it should work. So this is most commonly the issue right here. This is the CPU. You can see these two big coils to the left, these two big diodes to the right of it. Right here, two FETs here, and this right here is a 0 ohm resistor that blows when doing a battery replacement.